All right, current temperatures right now for the airport at 58 degrees, relative humidity at 16%. Across most of the area, we are seeing temperatures really hugging the upper 50s and low 60s across the board. As we do head throughout the rest of our evening, we are going to start to see things start to switch up when it comes to our atmosphere. Our weather headlines, we are under a red flag warning until 6 p.m. Gusty winds are expected to continue until around 7 o'clock, and we're going to see some clear but cold weather tonight. Currently, gusty winds are about 35 miles per hour for Denver, 35 for Greeley, 38 for Sterling. Much intense winds, almost near 50 miles per hour when it comes into Burlington. We are going to be expecting wind gusts to really be the highest, about 40 to 50 miles per hour in the near the foothills going into the Front Range. 20 to 30 miles per hour winds, a little bit more to our eastern plains. However, those winds are expected to dial down as we do head throughout the rest of our evening, going into Monday night. Heading into our Tuesday, we're going to see less gusty winds, still some winds across the Front Range when it comes to those wind gusts. Now, that red flag warning is in effect until 6 p.m. due to the high-speed winds and how dry the atmosphere is, mainly for the metro area. Across most of the eastern plains is under that red flag warning. Temperatures also will be dropping tonight, 33 degrees, clear skies, no rain chances are on our docket. But with that being said, we are under a freeze warning, meaning until tomorrow at 8 a.m., temperatures between 28 to 32 degrees could be under that freeze warning, mainly for the Denver metro area, Castle Rock, and even some parts of our eastern plains. Overall, waking up tomorrow morning, temperatures will be about 32 degrees for DIA, 33 for Denver metro area, 37 for Highlands Ranch, and then much cooler when it goes out into the western part. Even some parts of the plains can see temperatures in the upper 20s across the board. Waking up tomorrow morning, the kids are going to be needing a jacket. Also, you heading out the door, because temperatures will be fairly cool, but we are going to see temperatures start to rise, getting into the 60s by that noon hour, about 62 degrees. For our highs for tomorrow, most of us are going to be hugging the upper 60s. 67 near the airport, 67 for Fort Morgan, Denver at 67 degrees, much cooler when it goes into the Front Range part. Now, for the next 3-day forecast, we're seeing Tuesday at 67, mostly sunny skies. Wednesday, 68 degrees, and then heading into our Thursday, temperatures will start to drop into the low 60s. Plenty of rain coverage for our Thursday as well. We could see a few showers, but then by Saturday, we could go back up into the 70s.